Okay. Have your attention. Okay. So, plan for today. You have lab handouts printed out. And so we're doing comparative systems. We're focusing on just 3 systems. That is ingestion, digestion is one system, respiration, and circulation. And so each of your stations has a different type of critter, some of which are live, some of which are not so alive. And you are going to be making sketches of each of these systems because you're doing one group of animals and then you're going to teach the anatomy of that animal to your colleagues. And so this is called like a jigsaw exercise. So you're going to learn your piece and then you're going to take some notes on your piece and then you're going to present your piece to your fellow students. And so what you need to do is write down your species, or if you only know its phylum, okay, or its supergroup. So write what you know about the taxonomy of your critter, and then you're going to make a data collection table. And you're going to start taking notes and making sketches on ingestion, how they acquire food and how they bring it to them, digestion, how they process it from beginning to end, and then you're going to be doing notes on respiration, and notes on circulation. You'll be making sketches, and those sketches, like I said, I want them to be as big as possible in your notebooks, and then your notebooks will sit up here underneath a camera, and you can say, look, the fish has teeth, and they look like this. So that's going to be your goal for this lab, and we should be able to do most of the dissections in about an hour or so, and then there should leave some time for presentations. Is any animal feeling lonely? No, everybody's got attention for their animals. That's nice. And so I'll walk around and give you some guidance and some information on the critters you have. I have the hydra up here that I'll be bringing to you, and I'm also going to be bringing flatworms over to you guys. So, questions about today? Yes?
Can you go over the table, how we're supposed to set that up one more time?
Yeah, so it's in the handout, but basically ingestion and digestion is one set of notes. Excuse me. Respiration in another set of notes, and circulation another set. And so you're going to be taking detailed notes on your organism. But then when you teach your organism, everyone else is going to be able to complete their data collection table. Thank you. Complete their data collection table for each of their critters. So you'll eventually have notes on all 12 groups, but you'll only have direct experience with one of those critters. Okay, and you only have diagrams from one of those critters. I'm not going to make all the labs, copy over someone else's diagrams. Okay, so. Feeling ready? No. So you've got animals there that definitely won't jump at you. They don't have any teeth. Okay. So call me over if you need some help, and we'll get started. So in fact, I think the earthworm, you can look at the blood vessel under the microscope.
Okay.
So we'll see if we can see the peristaltic contractions of the blood vessel. So how's it looking in there?
So here are the tentacles.
Yep.
And then this is the mouth.
Yep.
So I'm sure this would lead to the stomach or the gastro.
You mean this kind of spider
What'd you say?
This, I can't pronounce this word.
I can't see it. Oh, siphonoglyph. Right. So basically, that's the head of the part that sucks in water to inflates the animal. But you're right. The entire stomach is the gastrovascular cavity.
So this is this cavity right here.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What's your question?
What are the
Oh yeah. So that's gonad.
a gonad?
Yep.
And those are
Reproductive structures. Egg mass.
both of them?
Yes.
these two?
Left and right.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
And then what's this?
Liver.
And that one?
Stomach, I think.
Is that the guano? Oh no, the stomach.
I
Yeah.
think that's stomach.
And then we were thinking that, what was that one thing?
Right? And so down in here, each one of those little bumps is the turkey baster, the squeeze part of the turkey baster. And can you flip it over? And then on the bottom are suction cups. And so each one of those turkey basters is connected to one of these suction cups. Okay? And then if you go over here to the sea urchin, you'll see little tentacles coming out of the animal. And each of those little tentacles has a suction cup on the end. In fact, you can see it right here. You see that sea star and the little tentacles that are coming off of it? Here, can you see the little tentacles that are coming off?
Yeah.
Each of those has a suction cup on it. Who your organism is?
Tyler, we did the frog, which was the Amphibia cordata anura. So we drew so it's kind of blurry, but this is the feeding and the digestion slide-ish, like the drawing. So this is the stomach, which was pretty muscular. Pretty muscular because it also has these teeth that are super small, so it basically doesn't do much chewing, just kind of swallows it, and then it's a lot of the like digestion and like breaking down in the stomach, which is why it's so muscular.
The esophagus is right there, so it like swallows its food and goes down there through the esophagus and it goes straight to the stomach.
And then the respiration and ventilation is up here. It's basically just got some smaller lungs. They're small just because they don't do a lot of breathing through their lungs, or like respiration through the lungs. A lot of the gas exchange is done through the skin, which is why I drew this whole frog.
So humans have 4 chambers, frogs have 3 chambers. That's the atrium, and then this is the ventricle. So basically, the oxygenated blood goes into
The oxygenated
Oh.
blood comes through the left.
and then the deoxygenated goes to the right. So the deoxygenated blood comes from the lungs and the spleen, because that's how they go. And the ventricles the blood all throughout.
Any questions? Okay.